Well, I thought it would be a natural sequence to what we have here in the patio, because the patio has the brick cover, and then stepping outside, we were stepping out into the yard with grass, and I wanted something out there that would blend in with the natural environment. I called several different paving companies, and with your company being one of them, and he came right out. The most important thing is he listened to what I was saying rather than trying to tell me what he thought ought to be. And then I could go into the office and pull, and he pulled up what I wanted here, because we have a different flow to the patio here, a little add here, a little bit there, whatever. And he could put it on the computer and draw it out, as I told him, yes, no, more here, more there. And of course, he was very good at being able to suggest things as well. But I like the quick service, to being able to visually put it out in front of me so that I could see what it was going to be like before you spend all that money to put it in. Yes, I would. They did a super job at being able to make my dream come available, and I was very impressed with the guys that came out, the workmen that came out. They worked very, very hard. They were very fast, very efficient, very attentive, and I left them work pretty much, but if I did have a question, they were able to answer or clarify something for me quickly. But you were here, and then you were done.